Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Shubhra! See, I think you need like an assistant just to carry your
tray,
gown,
right?
but
Yes,
it's beautiful. Tell us who you're wearing.
So I'm wearing Abujani Sandeep Khosla. As you know, they're one of the best designers in India, and I'm so happy I'm wearing their beautiful creation. I'm feeling lovely. Everyone's saying it looks lovely, so it's great.
Great. And for you especially, I have an emoticon challenge. But before we get to that, I want to ask you a couple of questions. So definitely Saima is a very special award ceremony for anybody in the South Indian industry. And being a part of it for, I don't know, like the fourth time or the fifth time, third time, how does that feel?
It feels really good. Like I've said this before. I came here as a model. I walked the ramp, and then as an actress, and now today I danced, and it went really well. The performance just got over. That's why the sweat. And it's special. As I keep saying, Saima is my favorite award function. I'm so happy to be back here, and it's bigger than it's ever been. So I'm happy about that.
And your performance is something that everybody is looking forward to because we know how gorgeous Shubhra is as a dancer, and we would love to get a sneak peek of it. So if there's one movement that you can show our Facebook viewers live, then they would just love it.
So there's this really cute step you have to do, like it's like no problem, na 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 no problem. So yeah, you see a lot of those cute steps. Yeah.
I think not just you, but your dress is also dancing
I know,
today.
right? It's like I'm shimmying every day.
Oh, but that's lovely.
Thank you.
And
you
I
so
have a
much.
couple of questions that I want to
Okay.
ask you. So, who do you think is that one actor who acts in an emotional scene like a pro, but is the most cheerful outside? Like goes on camera and just completely changes the mood.
We're talking South India?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. So like Nani. Nani, I think he's such a fine performer, and he's so like he does everything with so much like emotion and everything. But like outside, like whenever we meet, he's like always like upbeat and happy and stuff. So on the top of my head, Nani, yeah.
Great.
Yeah.
And we're going to do an emoticon challenge for you as soon as I get those emoticons in my hand. But before that, I would like to know what did you feel? You know, when you got to know that Saima was happening in Abu Dhabi, such a beautiful city, but for the first time we're here, how does that feel?
I was really happy because I've been to Dubai before, and this is my first time to Abu Dhabi. So it's really good, you know, because of work, you come and travel, and then you see some like beautiful places too. So I'm like really, really happy to be here. I haven't yet gone out and seen anything because I've been rehearsing, but tomorrow onwards I'm there for 2 more days. So Abu Dhabi, here I come.
So who do you think is going to win an award today?
From the Kannada, I think Kirik Party is going to win most of the awards. You know, like Rakshit Shetty, I have a feeling is going to win Best Actor, and yeah, so I think Kirik Party is winning all the awards.
He was here a while back, in fact,
was?
Rakshit, yeah,
Okay,
and we
okay.
asked him a couple of questions. But for you, I have a special challenge. So you know what these are. I'm sure everybody is familiar
Of
with them.
course.
These are the Facebook emoticons. So I'm going to hand each emoticon over to you, and you're going to tell me who from the South Indian film industry would you like to give this emoticon
Yeah,
to.
yeah.
Yes? We will begin with the love,
Oh,
heart.
okay.
Who would you like to give the heart to?
So heart, okay. I would like to give it to my first actor. You know, I love Shivraj Kumar sir. So for Shivraj Kumar sir, because he was so amazing. Yeah.
Shivanna, this is for you. And up next, we have the angry emoticon.
Angry? None. No,
None?
nobody makes me angry, or everybody gets a smile on my face. No.
That's because
Not
she's
happening.
such an angel. And up next, we have the LOL, laugh out loud.
Yeah. The host, Ali.
Uh-huh.
He's so funny. He just makes everyone laugh. He entered. He didn't even have to say anything, and everyone was like ha ha ha. So definitely that's for him.
Great. And up next, we have the crying face. The
Crying face, matlab like who makes me cry?
Or who cries a lot. You can choose. Who makes you cry, we would like to know. Who's the crybaby of the industry?
So new I am. You want to get me into trouble or what? I'll say all these things.
No, this is like everybody's going to take it in
Actually
their
me.
best spirits. You?
I use put me and make me watch any like emotional movie. I'm bawling. I'm crying so much. Like my brother makes fun of me and stuff. This is Rondu. They call me.
Huh?
This is for me. Yeah.
No, but we don't want Shubhra crying. Please don't cry. And up next, we have the surprise. Who surprises you a lot?
Rana.
Rana?
Like, I'll tell you why. Because like what he did with Bahubali, and like he just showed me pictures of how big he got, you know. So I actually, that was my expression when he put on 25 kgs for the role. So it's like, wow. So
this
yeah.
is for the transformation of Rana into Balal Dev.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Shubhra, for
Thank
being
you.
such a darling and
Thank
answering
you.
all our questions.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very
Thank
much.
you.
Hope you have
Bye,
a wonderful
Sri. Yeah,
evening.
bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.